Hi, I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and I'm here to tell you how to make a hardwood floor shiny. Hardwood is, in my opinion, the best floor you can have in your house. Even if it does get damaged or a little bit of water damage or a few scratches, it really adds character. That's why they've been using hardwood on floors for so long. Carpet adds dust and can contaminate your air. It's really bad for people with allergies. It harbors dust mites and things like that, so hardwood is awesome, and you want to keep it looking good. The first thing about keeping a hardwood floor shiny is don't be too picky. I know you paid a lot of money for that hardwood floor, but it's not going to stay perfect forever. If you live in your home, it's going to look lived in, and that's okay. Hardwood floors with a few scratches and a few imperfections, in my opinion, look better than a perfectly newly laid hardwood floor. So don't be too picky about it. Do put those little felt tips on your furniture and things like that so you don't make huge scratches, but if you want to keep it shiny, here's what you do. Either in a bucket or a spray bottle, I fill this bottle up with mostly water, and then I put about a cup of vinegar in it. This is an excellent way to clean your floor. It's an excellent disinfectant. It's extremely inexpensive, and it's what's recommended by most hardwood flooring companies. This is what you're going to clean with weekly or, every other week. You're just going to spray vinegar and water. Of course, you want to sweep or vacuum the floor first. If you have pets, I suggest vacuuming because you'll pick up the pet hair instead of just spreading it around. So you just want to mop your floors with vinegar and water every week or every other week. You can buy this stuff, Orange Glow. There's tons of different commercial hardwood floor cleaners. They're a little more pricey, but they do smell good. So some people really like the smell of things like this, and that's perfectly fine. The thing you need to watch for is if it contains wax, the wax is going to build up on your floor. So if you are going to use something like this, don't use it every time you mop your floors, or you are going to build up wax on your floor and it's going to look really bad. Once you build up enough wax on your floor, it doesn't look shiny anymore. It looks dingy and dirty. So if you do use something like this, don't use it more than once a month. A natural way to add shine to your hardwood floor is olive oil. If you add about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons to your spray bottle of vinegar and water, this is going to add a little bit of shine and a little bit of moisture to your floor. Again, I would say only do this no more than once a month because you don't want everybody falling down on your floor because it's super slippery. This just adds moisture back into it and lets it last a little bit longer. I'm Rachel Yatuzis, and that is how you clean and shine a hardwood floor.